Hey everyone, how's everyone doing today? My name is Gina and I'm doing great. So today I'm playing in my Create This Book book. So if you want more information, I did a longer video on that, my last video, so it will be linked somewhere in this video if you're interested in knowing more about this book and all that kind of stuff. I just want to get to it, Sunny Pruitt, right? Alright, so the first thing that I want to do is I'm going to create my rule, and my rule is going to be that I have to put a date on the page when I do the page, duh. So what I want to do is, I've got a whole bunch of my distressed inks here. I got Tunneled Glass, I got Worn Lipstick, I have Salty Ocean, and I have Picked Raspberry. And I'm just going to create a background using these items. I'm interested in knowing how well these actually blend on this paper. Which I kind of knew. I mean, it's not like it's you know, cardstock or anything like that, so it's very interesting. I don't mind the texture. I think it's actually pretty cool. So I really love the colors combination here. I think it turned out really well. It didn't blend as well as like on cardstock or multimedia paper, but it turned out really pretty. I'm happy with it and I like the texture a lot. Okay, I think that's good. It's you know, it is what it is. So now let me get some water, and I'm just going to spritz it just a little because, again, this paper is really not meant for mixed media stuff, but we can have fun, can't we? I think so. Alright, so let's let that dry a little bit. Okay. Alright, I'm hoping this is coming out very well. I love my animals, and my newest Freddie Mercury, I guess his cage was a little bit too close to my wiring, and he nibbled a little bit on my power cord for my camera. So I'm working on the battery, and I don't know if it does it bright enough or not. So we shall see once I get the video edited. Alright, so I'm going to write the rules now, and I've got these new pens by Tombow. They're the brush types. There's two. There's a hard and a soft. And I bought them because I want to practice my lettering. And they're calligraphy, actually, brush pens. So I got them off of Amazon. So let's just see. I think I'm going to use the soft one for right now, and I can't tell which is which. Well, I guess, okay, that's the hard, obviously. Here's the soft. Look at that tip. It's very little, isn't it? Alright, so on every page, so I was just trying to remember, write slowly when you write fancy. So I enjoyed practicing my lettering. It was a whole bunch of fun, so I can't complain. That was fun. I like this pen. It's pretty nice. I don't feel like I'm going to break it, you know. Alright, so that was kind of cool. Alright, so now what I want to do is I have two date stampers. I have this one that's a little fancy schmancy that has like the month written out, and this one is just purely the date. So I'm just going to take my archival inks now, and I'm just going to use a little bit of black. So the colors that I used was the jet black, the blue manganese or manganese blue, and the vibrant fuchsia. And the fancy stamp that I got with the month written out, I got that at Hobby Lobby, and then just the regular date stamp I got from Home Depot. Not Home Depot, Office Depot. So I think it turned out super cute. I really like it. I'm going to use my Straedtler pencils and just color in. I thought it would be cute just to use blue and the pink and just go every other. And I think it turned out fine. Okay. Let's see. One last thing I think I want to do. And then I just felt it needed a little something around that box, so I just added little scallops. All right. I think that's it. All right, so there's the first page done. Isn't that cute? I like it. So obviously on this page, I'm going to have to use paper, but that's okay. I think it turned out so cute. I love it. I love it. All right, and speaking of the date, I guess I need to date it. All right. Okay, so now I have this page I want to do, create a border. And I'm going to use my washi tape. I don't ever use this stuff. So, I'm like, why not use it now? So, and this is just my stash of washi tape. I don't even remember where I got them, so I don't know. So, but I'm just going to start. So I'm going to start with just some washi tape and put it on either side, the long side of the box. And then I'm going to just use the colored pencils that I got there and just kind of create borders around that as well. And then I'll just continue to alternate between washi tape and the colored pencils, and, you know, just create a border all the way around, up and down the page. I really love how this page came out. I think it looks really cool. So, and it was so fun. I mentioned it later on, but it was very meditative to just sit there, or meditative, whatever, just to sit there and just mindlessly just put washi tape and just put lines of color, you know. I just enjoyed it. It just relaxed me, and because there was no thinking, no measuring, anything like that. It was just grab a piece of washi tape that I liked and color that would kind of, you know, complement it, and just create. And then I will start to create like a little, the little part of this washi tape. I really liked like how it looked cut out and jagged, so I thought, well, I'll just do that down the sides here, right, with the colored pencils. And then I was like, it would look better if I make it like almost stained glass like. So I used my black pencil to outline that what I already did, but you won't see it because I'll jump over. And then I just went over to the other side and used the black pencil, and there you see that I went ahead and just created the geometric shapes that I wanted, because it was just easier to do it that way, and then put my color in the way that I wanted it to be. And again, just using washi tape and colored pencils, and I had a blast doing this page. I really did. So it was fun. This page so far has been my favorite. And then I thought the this part of the page looked a little white, so I was like, I'll just do a rainbow gradient here. And so that's pretty much what I did, just to fill that space up. So I liked it. It was, like, again, I like this page. All right, I like it. It was nice, just, you know, mindless. Coloring and just placement. I like it. It's cute. It's cute. I love it. Oh boy. All right. Okay, I think that's it for today. So I did this page. I created my rule, and then I created a border. So cool. Alright, y'all. Well, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe if you've not already subscribed. And if you have, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. But don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified for every time that I post a video. Alright, y'all. Y'all be good to one another, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!